The ultimate public records review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you've ever needed access to public records, most people get this wrong by relying on slow government sites or incomplete data. The surprising truth about public records is that it aggregates information like background checks, property records, and professional histories in a fast, user-friendly interface. First, search for the record you need. You won't believe how efficient the search function is. Type in names, addresses, or case numbers to instantly locate relevant documents. Next, filter results properly. Most people get this wrong by sifting through too much irrelevant information. Use filters for location, date, and record type to get precise results quickly. Check access levels and verification. The surprising truth is that some records require subscriptions or verification. Public records provide secure access, ensuring data is legitimate and up to date. Finally, download or save findings. You won't believe how convenient it is. Export records in PDF or TXF format for personal use, legal matters, or research projects. In conclusion, public records can take you from zero to pro in information access. By searching efficiently, filtering results, verifying records, and saving data securely, you can get accurate, comprehensive information quickly and responsibly without frustration.